Hi, this is Sushil from Creative Mind International School. Today I am going to discuss about definition list. Definition list in HTML. So our today's topic is definition. Definition list in HTML. तो इसको हम लोग प्रैक्टिकली करेंगे समझेंगे. So in definition list we have three tags. First one is DL tag, second one is definition DL tag, then DT tag is there, and one more is DD tag. So one more is DD tag. So what is the purpose of DL tag? DL tag definition list. This tag mark the beginning and end of a definition list. So this purpose of this tag definition list DL tag is that is definition list tag is it marks the beginning and end of definition list. Beginning and end of definition list. Now next tag is this definition type. This tag marks the definition term. Definition terms in a definition list. Means this is what DL is a definition list and DT is definition term. So DT, this tag marks the definition term in definition list इसके अंदर. So that means indirectly ये समझिए कि DT जो है यूज होता है DL टैग के अंदर. ठीक है ना. Now DD tag, the purpose of this tag is this tag marks the definition description in a definition list. So this tag is also used inside the DL tag. ठीक है ना. This definition description. See here, this one is definition list. DL means definition list. See here, definition list. And DT means definition term. And DD means definition description. So these two tags, definition description and definition term, these two tags are used inside the DL tag, definition list tag. प्रैक्टिकली करेंगे तो हम लोग समझेंगे. ओके. सो प्रैक्टिकली अब हम इसको करते हैं. नोटपैड प्लस प्लस ओपन करते हैं. सो नोटपैड प्लस प्लस ओपन किए. मैं इसको सेव करता हूं. पहले सेव कर दिया ऑनलाइन फोल्डर के अंदर. नाम दे दिया डेफिनेशन. नाम दिया मैंने सपोज definition list DL, right? DL. ना तो हम लोग HTML स्टार्ट करेंगे और HTML क्लोज कर दिए. यहाँ पे HTML क्लोज कर दिया और बॉडी के अंदर सब कुछ लिखते हैं, ये पता ही है. बॉडी स्टार्ट किए और बॉडी क्लोज कर दिए. अब हमारे पास डेफिनेशन लिस्ट. हम लोग इससे पहले पढ़े हैं ऑर्डर लिस्ट, अनऑर्डर लिस्ट. तो ऑर्डर लिस्ट क्या करते थे? पहले ऑर्डर लिस्ट स्टार्ट करते थे ना. ऑर्डर लिस्ट स्टार्ट और ऑर्डर लिस्ट यहाँ पे क्लोज. तो यहाँ पे क्लोज करते थे और यहाँ पे ऑर्डर लिस्ट के अंदर लिस्ट ऑफ आइटम्स होता था. तो यहाँ पे ऑर्डर लिस्ट ना यूज करके अब हम लोग यूज करेंगे डेफिनेशन लिस्ट स्टार्ट किए, डेफिनेशन लिस्ट क्लोज कर दिए. नाउ सी विद इन द डेफिनेशन लिस्ट अब हम क्या करेंगे? डेफिनेशन term, definition term dt start किया, dt close कर दिया. Now so this one is one definition term. अब definition term जहां पे यूज करेंगे उसके जस्ट नीचे definition description. dd means what? Definition description. term start हुआ और close कर दिया. Now suppose here I am writing definition term में Java. Definition term is Java. Definition description में मैं Java में क्या लिखता हूँ? See here, Java is a platform independent. Java is a platform independent. Right? We can write in the description Java is a platform independent programming language. Okay. Now, so this one is what? This one is the definition term, and this one whole is definition description. Definition term is what? Within the definition term, I have written Java, and I have in the definition description written the description of the Java. So these two are what? One single component, we can say, one single part. Now in the same way we can use one more, copy paste this definition term, definition list, definition term, definition list. Here in the definition term I am writing, what is this? Angular. I am writing here Angular. So Angular is what? Definition term, and within the definition description, see here, Angular is a application design framework and development platform for creating efficient and sophisticated single page application development. So here we can write in the definition of Angular. What is this Angular? Angular is a application design framework and development platform for. So definition of the Angular is in DD, that is definition description. Definition term is Angular, and this is the definition of the Angular. Definition description. Now in the same way we can use, copy the same DT and DD tag. How many? Here I want the definition term is something called Node.js. Node.js. Copy this. Node.js. Definition term is Node.js. Now Node.js and definition description of Node.js. What is Node.js? Yes, server side. See here, Node.js is a JavaScript runtime built on Google Chrome version 8 JavaScript engine. Node.js. Here we can write it is a Node.js is a JavaScript runtime built on Chrome version 8 JavaScript engine. Now if you see the output, on the browser, if you see here, so this one is what? Definition list. So this one first list, this is the second list, this is the third list. So within the definition list we are using DT and DD. Within the DL tag, definition list tag, we are using the DL and DD tag, DT and DD tag. So DT and DD tag is used in pair. ये दोनों पेयर में यूज होते हैं. Here also. Okay, now सेव करते हैं, ब्राउजर में चल के इसको रन करते हैं. See here, online is there, definition DL is this, or Google Chrome. Now see what is this. If you see here, Java is the definition. So first within the list Java is coming, and here the definition of the Java is coming. Again, next definition term is this. Definition term is this, and definition description is here. Now, definition term is this, description is this. So, in this way, definition list. This is all about definition list. If we use DL, DT and DT tag, DL tag, DT tag, DD tag, we will get the, हम लोग इस तरह से डेफिनेशन, ये डेफिनेशन लिस्ट ऑफ डेफिनेशन में ये सब हो गया टोटल. अब डेफिनेशन टर्म हो गया जावा, एंगुलर, नोड.जेएस, और ये क्या होगा, डेफिनेशन डिस्क्रिप्शन हो गया, डिस्क्रिप्शन हो गया, डिस्क्रिप्शन हो गया. ओके, now in this way your definition list is over. Now next is I am going to discuss about the this, ये जो था ना ये पेंडिंग टॉपिक था जो मैं डिस्कस नहीं किया था. Now our next topic is the remaining question answer of the chapter. Now the next is the question answer of the remaining question answer of the chapter. So choose the correct answer. Choose the correct answer. So the first choose the correct answer is, wait, choose the correct answer. Choose the correct answer. Choose the correct answer. Now the first question is, the choose the correct answer. The first question is A. A is, what is A? Which of the following is the correct which of the following is the correct way of using the start attribute of the OL tag of the order list tag. So this is the question. Now for this, the option is, first option is OL start equal to 3. OL start is equal to 3. Second option is OL start is equal to OL tag start is equal to this. Now third option is OL tag start is equal to capital C. Now fourth option is OL tag start is equal to disk. Now the correct answer of this question is, which one is the correct answer? The answer of this question is, which one? First is the correct answer. So answer is 1. First, that is, the right answer is OL start equal to 3 is the right answer. That is, first one is the correct answer. Okay, so first is the correct answer. This one is the correct answer. Now second is B. So B is, what is the question? Which one of the following is an attribute of the IMG tag, image tag. IMG means what? Image tag. So this is the next question. So option of this question is, first one is alternate. Second option is, see here, second option is alt. Third option is third option is source. Fourth option is size. So what is the correct answer of this question? For the image, which one of the following is an attribute of the IMG? So the attribute alternate is not the attribute, source is not the attribute, size is also not the attribute. So here the right answer is alt. So that is second is the right answer. Alt, this one. Now the third question is, that is C, question number C of the objective MCQ type. Now third one is which one of the following values cannot be assigned to align attributes of the IMG tag. IMG tag means image tag. So option here is, first one is top, second one is right, third one is center, fourth one is bottom. So answer is here for the inside the image tag के अंदर, if you see here, image tag के अंदर मैं क्या बोला था, image tag के अंदर image src, और हम लोग image tag के अंदर क्या क्या अलाइन में स्पेसिफाई कर सकते हैं. अलाइन के अंदर हम लोग स्पेसिफाई कर सकते हैं, क्या बताया था, लेफ्ट स्पेसिफाई कर सकते हैं, राइट कर सकते हैं, टॉप कर सकते हैं, मिडिल कर सकते हैं, और टॉप मिडिल बॉटम कर सकते हैं. सो दीज आर द 5 पॉसिबल attribute value in case of image tag. For the attribute align in image tag, we have these are the 5 possible values. So according to, so if you see here, top is the correct one, right is the correct one, bottom is also correct, center is the wrong answer. So which one of the following values cannot be assigned? कौन सा assign नहीं हो सकता? So the answer is center. Third one is the answer here. Third one cannot be assigned. Now the question fourth. Come to the question number 4. Which of the following holds true for a definition list? Which of the following holds goods for definition list? So options are, first option is, it is a numbered list of terms. So this one is wrong. Second option is, it is a bulleted list of items. Bulleted list of items. Here is also items only. Items. Now third option is, what is the third option here is, bulleted list of, third option is, it is a list of terms and definition of terms. And fourth one, it is a combination of bulleted list. It is a combination of bulleted list and numbered list. So जस्ट मैं कुछ, सो आई हैव डिस्कस्ड, सो व्हाट इज द करेक्ट आंसर हियर? आई हैव डिस्कस द डेफिनेशन टर्म, डेफिनेशन लिस्ट मैं कुछ समय पहले ही डिस्कस किया इसी वीडियो में। सो डेफिनेशन लिस्ट में क्या आता है? डेफिनेशन टर्म होता है और डेफिनेशन टर्म होता है और डेफिनेशन डिस्क्रिप्शन होता है। सो इट इज अ लिस्ट ऑफ टर्म एंड डेफिनेशन, लिस्ट ऑफ टर्म एंड definition term. DT means what? Definition term, and DD means what? Definition description, definition term and definition description. So the correct answer for this one is third. Here it is a list of terms and definition of term. So right answer for this one is third. Now, so choose the correct option is over. Now the next one is fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Now next one is the fill in the blanks. Now, so the first fill in the blanks is A. A is a list of terms, a list of terms and their definitions can be created using the DL tag, using the DL tag. So here the fill in the blank is this one. This one is the answer. DL tag. This one is the answer. Fill in the blanks here. Okay. This one is the fill in the blanks. Just wait. इसको मैं now. So here the answer is DL tag. So opening tag. DL tag is the answer. So here the answer is this one is the answer. Okay. Now the second question is B. B is you use the fill in the blanks. So you use the type attribute of the OL tag, order list tag, OL tag to specify the type of numbering to be type of numbering to be used in front of each list item. So here we use the type attribute. So the right answer is type here. Here is the answer is the type. We use the type attribute. So answer is type. For the second one. Now for the second one the answer is type. Now come to the question number C. Now the question number C, the SRC means source attribute. The SRC attribute of image tag, img tag lets you specify the names of the image file to be displayed to be displayed, to be displayed, to be displayed, to be displayed on a web, on a web page, on a web page, on a web page. So here the answer is SRC, means source attribute. So right answer is SRC. Right answer is SRC. Right answer is SRC, source attribute. Now next one is D. D, question number D. Now what is the text, the text to be displayed, the text to be displayed when an image image cannot be shown, can be specified using the alt attribute, using the alt attribute, using the alt attribute, using the alt, using the alt attribute, of, using alt attribute of the img tag, of the img tag. Now here the answer is alt, alt is the answer. Here the answer is alt. Okay, now next one is after D, the question number E. Now question number E, the answer is what is the question? Using the align attribute, using align attribute of the img tag, of image tag, of img tag, you can specify the placement of an image, of an image with respect to inline, with respect to inline text, with respect to inline text. So here using the align attribute, so align is the right answer. So using the align attribute, so answer here is align attribute. Now all the questions is I have discussed, all the question I have discussed. Only the remaining last question is, one question is still pending. See here, image study. Image study is there. Now here the question is, this is the question. Now image study. So one web page is given. Now here the question is, name the tag and its attribute used to insert the image on the web page. Name the tag and its attribute used to insert the image on the web page. So see here, the answer of this question is, what is the answer for the A? For the A, the answer is image study, page number 64, page number 64, page number 64. This question is image study question, image study. Now image study, the question is image study. Now for the first question, what is the answer? See, the question is, name, this one web page is given, this one is one web page. Now the question is, name the tag and its attribute used to insert the image on a web page. So the tag used to insert the image in a web page is img tag image. This is the tag image tag. This is the tag used. Img tag is used to insert a image. Is used to insert an image in a web page. In a web page. And the attribute in a web page. And the attribute used and the attribute used is src attribute. Is src attribute for providing the URL of or path of the image, for providing the URL or path of image. So this is the answer for the first question. Now what is the second question? B. Name the tag and its attribute used to display the outer level list. Puzzle games, card games, action games. Now see here, for this we have to first हम लोग प्रैक्टिकली इसको करके देखते हैं, दिखाएंगे। अब इसको हम लोग प्रैक्टिकली दिखा रहे हैं आपको करके। पहले ये वाला पार्ट जो है कैसे आएगा, DEF और पजल गेम्स दिस। तो ये कैसे आएगा पहले सी हियर। तो ऑर्डर लिस्ट हम लोग करेंगे। ऑर्डर लिस्ट स्टार्ट करेंगे। HTML स्टार्ट, HTML क्लोज, बॉडी स्टार्ट, बॉडी क्लोज जो लिखना है ये मैंडेटरी नहीं है। ये हम लोग अगर मतलब आउटपुट जल्दी देखना चाहते हैं तो आप उसके बिना भी लिख सकते हैं, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा। ओके नाउ सो ओल्ड टैग हम लोग स्टार्ट किए, ओल्ड टैग क्लोज कर दिए। विदाउट दैट आल्सो यू कैन राइट। ओके नाउ ओल्ड टैग स्टार्ट किए और फर्स्ट हमारे पास how many list is there? 1 2 3 is there. So within the old tag we will use the li tag, list tag, li tag start, li tag close किए। now see here li tag start, li tag close किए। now we have total 3 list is there, so 3 list को मैंने copy paste कर दिया। see now within the list we have old tag, we have to specify the type। first we have to save this। फर्स्ट मैंने सेव कर दिया। सपोज द नेम इज गेम बेस्ट ऑनलाइन गेम HTML। ओके डेस्कटॉप पे मैंने सेव किया। सो हियर टाइप वी हैव टू स्पेसिफाई इज व्हाट, टाइप वी हैव टू स्पेसिफाई इज type equal to we have to specify what? A. Type we have to specify as A, and a start we have to mention start. Attribute also we have to mention. Why? Because it is starting from where? From D. So type is A and start you have to mention A, B, C, D, that is fourth. Okay, and now here in the li we have to write puzzles, puzzles. First one is first list within the order list is puzzle games. Second is puzzle games, then card games, then third one is action games. Okay, now see here the output. Where is this online game? Action based online game is this. Now run on the browser. See now DEF is coming. First one is puzzle games, card games, action games. Now within this puzzle games, now within this list we have to use the what? Unordered list. We have to use the unordered list. Unordered list start, unordered list close. Now in the unordered list we have to use the again li start and li close. So how many li is there? How many li is there? Means list tag 1, 2 is there. Tetris and cube is there. So 2 list is there. So you have to use this 2 list. 2 list. Li is start. Li close. 2 list. Now see. So first is here is Tetris. 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 And another one is cubes. Another one is cubes. Okay. If you run this, तो border हमारे पास ये जो है ना, यहाँ पे टाइप स्पेसिफाई करना है. टाइप इज इक्वल टू व्हाट? टाइप इज नॉट अ डिस्क, इट इज अ square kind of thing is there. That means the type here is square. The type here is a square. You have to specify type equal to square, not circle. Type is square. Now run in the browser. See the output. Now see. D puzzle is coming, then Tetris and cubes. In the same way for card games and action games also we can do. So just we have to copy this in the card games also. Card games here copy paste. Now change the Tetris to solitaire. SOLITAIRE. And next one is hearts. Okay. Now second also for the card games also we are able to get the answer, get the output properly. Now for the action games, same you have to copy this one UL tag. Again come here and see in the UL tag. Here you have to write what? Boom, and here you have to write, specify what? Final assault. Final assault. Now see the output. Save कर दिए हैं. See the output here, everyone. So this one is D, E, F. Puzzle games, card games, action games. Boom. So and this. Now based on this we have written the code, and based on the code we are getting this output. Now we can easily answer all the questions. Now the question is, name the tag and its attribute used to display the outer level list. And here puzzle games, card games, action games. Means puzzle games, card games, action games. See here, puzzle games. So puzzle games, card games and action games. For displaying this, name the tag. Which tag we are using? Li tag. Name the tag and its attributes used to display the outer level list. So we are using, answer for this one is, for name the tag and its attribute used to display the outer level list. So tag used is what? Li tag. And name the tag and its attribute used to display the outer level list. Puzzle games. Okay, now see here. So here the tag used is Li tag only. For the question number C, no attribute is used. Attribute if you used, there is no attribute we have not used. Attribute. So sorry. Here in the question B, it is asking, name the tag and its attribute used to display the outer level list. Outer level list is what? This. Outer level list is this, and this outer level list is used to display the puzzle games, card games and action games. So the tag used is OL tag here, not Li tag, sorry, OL tag. And attribute used is tag used is OL tag, and attribute used is here. The attribute used is type and start attribute. And attribute used is type and start attribute. Start. Tag used is OL tag, and attribute used is type and start. Okay. Now question number C. Name the tag and its attributes used to display the types of puzzles. Types of puzzles game. Types. Name the tag and its attribute used to display the types of puzzle games. Types of puzzle games. That is this. So types of puzzle games. Name the tag used. So tag used is UL tag, and its attribute used. Attribute is what? Type attribute is used to display the Tetris and cubes. So here in the second question the answer is tag. Same copy paste करते हैं यहाँ से यहाँ, और tag used is not OL tag. What? Which tag is used? UL tag is used. Unordered list tag is used. UL tag is used. So UL tag. And attribute used is only type. There is no start tag in the, see here, there is no start tag in this. So the answer is here UL tag, and attribute used is type tag. So in this way all the questions I have discussed of this chapter, and this whole chapter is also completed. In the next video I will discuss all the question answer of the next chapter. That is, next chapter also already I have covered, so I will discuss the question answer of the next chapter in the next chapter in the next video. That's all. Thank you for today.